Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials. So I came up with the idea of getting this look from Nikkie tutorials videos, and this is my inspiration for today's video. I am going to try to get as close as possible, and this is how I have got my look. So this is a beautiful extravagant glittery eyeliner look, which she's kept the eyeshadow very simple and got a beautiful glitter liner, and this is what I have came up with. So if you want to know how did I achieve this look, please keep on watching. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing to start to the eyes, I'm going to use the M.A.C Prolong Concealer, and just by patting it with my finger, I'm setting the entire base on my eyelid. Now to fix this everything into its place, I am using a tapered brush and dabbing it with NC 40 Studio Fix powder from M.A.C. So to create this look, I am going to use a cool neutral palette by M.A.C. Dip in the darkest brown shade of the palette right here. By starting it on the outer corner, I'm going to take this in the inner corner as well. So first I'm just dabbing the color on the eyelid, so this will help us to get the maximum pigment we can. And now by taking this shade right here, I am going to smudge this entire dark brown shade. So with the help of soft circular motions, I am trying to get this entire look blended so that we don't have any harsh lines. Now using the same concealer, I am going to cut my crease in the center of my eyes like this. And now with the help of a flat brush, I am going to go in a matte white color right here. Now by taking the same small fluffy brush, I am going to go in the dark brown again and try and blend this white here and the brown seamlessly. Cheerleader from Huda Beauty liquid lipstick to line my upper lash line as my liner. Create a beautiful wing liner as our base for the glitter. So let's get into the glitters. So I had this glitter eye palette by Unicorn, and I have a beautiful golden shade right here. It is full of glitters, and I am going to use this glitter on the right inner corner of my eyes. That would be my first golden shade. Now by taking the NYX Glitter Primer on the back of my hand, I am going to apply it on the rest of my eye, and now we are going to do a ombre liner. Starts with golden, then goes to reddish golden, and then it goes to extreme red, and that's what we are going to do here. So now I'm taking this beautiful goldenish red shade in NYX Glitters, and I am going to apply it right where I've applied my primer. So right now I'm not going to worry for any of my fallouts because I've not done my base, and now we are going to apply the red sparkle right on this corner of the eye. Just a little bit of cleaning, just using the tissue and cleaning my under eye and taking off all the excess glitters which is fallen out. Nikkie had used a white waterline color, so I'm going to do the same. Now taking the same brown color and smudging my lower lash line. Now I'm going to use this shade right here to highlight my tear ducts or the inner corner of my eyes, also my brow bone. So now I'm going to take M.A.C Hot and Naughty mascara on the eyelashes so that it eliminates all the glitters and the colors which we've used on the eyes. And here, to add a little bit more drama, I am going to coat my lower lash line a little bit too much today. And for my lashes, I am going to use Sophia from Huda Beauty. I'm placing it right on the bed of my lash. So now we will be doing our base. So to prime our face, I'm going to use the Roseberry, the Glow Enhancer Face Oil, which looks like this. It has glitters in the bottle. Once the face is set, we will just pop on some base. So I'll be using this M.A.C Mineralize foundation in the shade of NC 37, and with the foundation brush, I am just going to apply it all over my face. By using a wet beauty blender, I am just going to blend the entire foundation on the face. Now I am going to cover my under eyes with the Pro Conceal Concealer from Illegal Cosmetics. I'm just going to add a little bit of yellow corrector in my concealer so that it glows up, and some dark color to just cut the nose and get a beautiful sleek structure of the face. So now just applying the Laura Mercier powder under my eyes, to also applying it right under my cheek line, and setting a little bit of forehead as well. So now by taking my Cheekathon palette, I am going to use the Hoola bronzer and start bronzing my face. And now by taking the darker color called Dallas, I am just going to contour my cheekbone and a little bit of my nose as well, getting some blush for myself and some highlighting. So for my lips, I am going to use the shade called Cheerleader from Huda Beauty. And now by taking Heartbreaker, I am going to fill in the outer corners of my lips. So yes guys, this is my final look, and I have tried to get as close as possible to Nikkie, but of course Nikkie is unbeatable. So this was just a little bit of try from my side to get there, and I hope that I've succeeded. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. So do not forget to check out my other videos by clicking the links right here, and I'll be seeing you in my next one.